Are you looking for the top 5 best iPad Air keyboards for productivity? Everyone thinks the best-selling iPad Air keyboard is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1. Omoton Ultra Slim Bluetooth Keyboard. First up is the Omoton Ultra Slim Bluetooth keyboard priced at just $16.99. What caught my attention here is its super slim design and impressive compatibility with various iPad models. If you want a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on functionality, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Bluetooth connectivity lets you type from up to 10 meters away, which is perfect if you want to keep your workspace clean and cable-free. Plus, with hotkeys customized for iPads, adjusting volume or brightness is just a button away. Users have raved about its long battery life, lasting up to 6 months with 2 AAA batteries. Now, some people complained about the fact that it requires replacing batteries. Here's the thing though. If you're okay with occasional battery changes for the sake of a budget-friendly option, this keyboard is a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, everyday keyboard without any frills. Skip this one if you prefer rechargeable options or a backlit keyboard. For the price, it offers great value. Now, if the battery requirement bothered you, this product number 2, ESR Magnetic Keyboard Case. Next, we have the ESR for iPad Air 11-inch keyboard case, coming in at $104.99. What stood out to me is the flexibility it offers with a magnetic stand and trackpad. If you want a premium feel with productivity features, this one deserves your attention. This product transforms your iPad into a portable workstation. The quick-set magnetic stand allows you to find the perfect angle for typing or browsing, while the built-in trackpad turns your iPad into a mini laptop. This means you can navigate your device seamlessly, which is a game-changer for multitaskers. With over 500 units sold in the past month, it's clear that people are loving this design. Some reviewers noted that it can be a bit heavy compared to other options. Now, I'll be real with you. If you're looking for something ultralight for travel, this might not be it. But if you want a sturdy setup that feels like a laptop, it's worth it. This is perfect for you if you need a keyboard that doubles as a protective case. And product number 3, ESR Flex Keyboard Case. The next option is another ESR product, their Flex Keyboard Case for $56.99. I was really impressed with its lightweight design and detachable keyboard. If you're after flexibility while keeping your iPad protected, this one might be for you. The magnetic detachable design lets you easily pop the keyboard off when you want to use your iPad in tablet mode. It also features an extra-large precision trackpad that's 65% bigger than typical keyboards, making it super easy to navigate your device. And with 500 units sold recently, it's clear people love how it feels in use. However, some users pointed out the lack of backlighting on this keyboard. Here's the thing though, if you primarily use your iPad in well-lit environments, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile keyboard for both work and play without the bulk. Skip this if you absolutely need a backlit option. For the price and fee. Product number 4, Harbapoo Backlit Keyboard Case. Up next is the Harbapoo Keyboard Case, priced at $25.87. Right off the bat, the backlit feature caught my eye, especially for those late-night typing sessions. If you need a keyboard that works well in low light, this is definitely worth considering. The detachable backlit keyboard connects easily via Bluetooth and comes with multiple color options for the backlight. Plus, it's rechargeable with a long battery life, meaning it won't die on you during crucial moments. With over 500 units sold recently, it's clearly resonating with users who need that nighttime functionality. One downside is that some folks mentioned the keyboard's feel isn't as premium as others. But here's the thing, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option with solid performance, this is still a great deal. This is perfect for you if you love typing in the dark and need a budget option. Skip this if you want. Product number 5, Harbapoo Folio Keyboard Case. Finally, we have the Harvopoo Folio keyboard case for $29.98. I really liked how this version includes a pencil holder, making it super convenient for those who use an Apple Pencil. If you want practicality and style, this could be the one for you. The detachable keyboard connects effortlessly and offers backlighting, which is a must for many users. The adjustable viewing angles and protective cover ensure that your iPad stays safe while you're on the go. With 500 sold recently, it's clear that people are finding it useful for both school and work. Now, some users expressed concerns about the durability of the case, but honestly, if you treat your tech with care, this should not be a huge issue. This is perfect for you if you're a student or someone who needs a practical keyboard with added features. Skip this one if you need something extremely durable or heavy-duty. For the price, it's a solid option for everyday use.
So there you have it, 5 great options for iPad Air keyboards. From the budget-friendly Omaton to the versatile ESR options and the stylish Harvopoo cases, there's something for everyone. Whatever your needs are, one of these keyboards will surely enhance your iPad experience.